Today, I'm going to share with you how to use AI or ChatGPT to automate generating your Etsy SEO. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. I am a wife and mama of two amazing kiddos, a full-time Etsy seller, now Etsy print-on-demand coach, here to give you all the tips and tricks to help you to be successful on your own Etsy print-on-demand journey. Make sure to check out below. I have a free Etsy print-on-demand starter guide, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So I have this Wildflower shirt that I want to generate Etsy SEO for, that I actually created in a previous video, which I'll link below. So next you're going to head on over to ChatGPT where you can create a free account. Then you're going to go to New Chat and then type your prompt here. So in the prompt, I asked ChatGPT to create Etsy SEO for a wildflower and mushroom shirt. It generated some relevant keywords for me, including wildflower and mushroom shirt, botanical print tee, and then it also provides some tips on how to rank higher, including providing product descriptions, using high quality photos, using tags effectively, and it also provided some keywords for tags, including wildflower shirt, mushroom print, and botanical tea. You could also ask ChatGPT to create an Etsy title and tags for your listing as well, which is what I'm doing here. And then it should provide a title and tags for your listing. So the suggested title is wildflower and mushroom shirt, botanical print tea, and nature lover gift. The tags include wildflower shirt, mushroom print, botanical tea, nature lover gift, floral shirt, fungi shirt, eco-friendly clothing, sustainable fashion, which I really like this sustainable idea. If I go to Google Trends and search sustainable clothing, people searching for sustainable clothing has continued to increase. The last time it peaked was in April, so which makes sense because that's, when there's Earth Day. So those are keywords I expect to trend again and to increase as we approach springtime and Earth Day. Okay, so a little hack for you if you want even more keywords, and specifically those long tail keywords that are a little bit lower search but have less competition, is to type create primary, secondary, and long tail keywords, and then ChatGPT generated primary, secondary, and even long tail keywords for us. So some of the primary keywords included wildflower shirt, mushroom, botanical print tee, nature-inspired clothing. So it considers these to be the most important keywords that you would want towards the front of your title in your SEO. And then some secondary keywords that could be later on in your title or could be in your tags, for example. And then some long tail keywords. So long tail keywords are keywords with 3 or more words. Some of those keywords it recommended were wildflower mushroom, eco-friendly wildflower and mushroom shirt, and by the way, Bella and Canvas, if that's what you use, and that's one of my main brands that I personally use, it is considered an eco-friendly brand because they recycle a lot of their materials. They use a lot of materials. They don't have very much waste, so that's something that you can look more into, but it is considered a more eco-friendly brand than other brands. And also DTG printing is considered a more eco-friendly print method than other methods. And so now that I have some keyword ideas, now I can ask it to generate the other part of my SEO, my meta description. So now I'm going to ask it to create a meta description for Etsy, and then it should quickly create a meta description for us. Let's see, it says shop our beautiful and eco-friendly wildflower and mushroom t-shirt. If we're not 100% happy with the description, we could also ask it to regenerate it, and then it will come up with a different variation of that description. So you might be thinking, wow, this is great, Angel, but how do we know that these keywords are actually trending right now on Etsy? So what we need to do is validate these keywords. So we're gonna go ahead and hop onto Etsy to do that right now. So next I'm going to look for wildflower shirts, and then I can kind of go through and look for some of those keywords that were in ChatGPT. So to do that, I'm going to run my product analytics using my Everbee Chrome extension. Then I'm going to sort by monthly sales. And the reason why I'm sorting it by monthly sales is because this is going to quickly tell us which listings have sold the most in the last 30 days, indicating that that is really good SEO. So here's the first apparel listing: wildflowers with a space in between the words, floral, flower, gift for women, ladies shirt, best friend gift. Using the Everbee Chrome extension, you can quickly copy your competitors' keywords. And then I'm going to look at a few more here. All right, flower shirt, aesthetic, some of the same types of SEO. You can take a look at their keywords. Some of their keywords include flower tea, plant lover gift, that's a good one, vintage flower shirt, vintage flower t-shirt, botanical shirt. So I'm noticing a lot of the same words that we saw on ChatGPT. So ChatGPT was pretty spot on with some of their words. Now I'm going to share with you my quick and dirty method of gathering Etsy SEO, which is simply to sort listings by star seller, then hit apply. And then up in the URL here, I'm actually going to change it from star seller. So where it says star, I'm going to type best. And then voila, we're going to quickly see the bestsellers. This is sort of a hack to see the bestsellers the way that we used to be able to see it using the bestseller filter that has been taken away, at least at the time of this video. And so now I see all of the bestsellers on Etsy. Next, I'm going to product analytics again. And then once again, I will sort by bestseller. And then once again, I'll sort by monthly sales. And then I'm going to go to those top sellers, and I can quickly copy their titles and tags to use in my own listing. Now, if I have the time, what I like to do is I like to put the different SEO blocks into a spreadsheet or into a Google Doc and sort of put together my favorite keywords and create my sort of ultimate title and tag list. Don't forget to do your due diligence and check uspto.gov for trademarks. So let me know in the comments below if you would use AI to generate your Etsy SEO, or if you would rather use the quick and dirty method, if you will, or if you would rather use keyword research tools like Everbee, Sales Samurai, or eRank. Next up is a playlist about AI and Etsy you might want to check out. See you guys there.